welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today we're going to continue with you on the Manuka honey series, and we're going to talk about what is the best time to use Manuka honey according to your own health and beauty goals. I'm also going to share with you some suggestions for the best time to use Manuka honey, as well as my own personal experience with Manuka honey on certain specific times, what I use it for, and how it has helped me. Starting with the morning routine. Now you can use Manuka honey as a face mask or as an internal supplement. So in the morning, you might also consider using Manuka honey in your face mask. I've shared a couple of different recipes, and this really helps to freshen your skin. So if you have dry, sensitive skin, it would be wise to add in a yogurt, which is also a form of natural lactic acid that will really help to soothe your dry and sensitive skin, to Manuka honey. Dilute the Manuka honey with yogurt, apply for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse off using cold water. And if you have oily skin or normal skin, you can also use apple cider vinegar and replace the yogurt that way with the Manuka honey. Alternatively, you can also consume a teaspoon of Manuka honey before breakfast on an empty stomach to really help kickstart your day, because it contains amazing health benefits that we've discussed before. The other time to use Manuka honey is before meals. So how can you use Manuka honey before meals? And that is through a teaspoon of Manuka honey before meals. Really helps to improve your digestive health, and it's also believed to have soothing effects on the digestive system, and it also helps to aid in balancing gut bacteria. What about as an afternoon pick-me-up? You can use also a teaspoon of Manuka honey if you experience any sort of energy slump in the afternoon. You might consider taking a teaspoon of Manuka honey, because the natural sugars can really help to provide a quick energy boost. Alternatively, you can use Manuka honey in the evening to help with relaxation, and there are two different ways to use it, either as a bath soak or a skin treatment, and I've talked about both of the recipes in a video linked in the description box below. So the way to use it in the evening is using Manuka honey as part of your evening routine for relaxation. This is particularly important when if you do suffer from an overload of stress, anxiety. You really want to help to wind down. So the honey bath soak or skin treatment can really help to nourish and moisturize your skin before bedtime. Another way to use it is before bed. You can use it as a face mask or as a hair treatment, and this is something that I've discussed in a previous video about my Sunday night routine for using Manuka honey for face mask or hair treatment, and for also nail and cuticle treatment. So you can use it for all these different ways, as a way of pampering yourself, as a way to help you achieve glowing skin before bed, and this really helps to allow its magic to work either for 10 to 15 minutes as a face mask, or about maximum of 60 minutes as a hair treatment. And alternatively, also you can use it as a scrub in your bath, so the skin and hair can really benefit from the honey's moisturizing and healing properties when you sleep. And also important if you do suffer from eczema or acne, to keep consistent with your routine in using Manuka honey. You will see amazing transformative effects. Also, another way you can use Manuka honey is for wound care. You can use it as a topical application. So if you're using Manuka honey for wound care to aid in the healing of skin conditions and speed up wound healing, apply it as needed throughout the day, depending on the severity of the condition. Just make sure that the wound has stopped bleeding. Also, during illness would be a great time to use it. You can use it as a throat soother, or you can just simply take a teaspoon of Manuka honey on an empty stomach preferably. And this is a great way to use it when you're feeling under the weather, when you're also suffering from hay fever as well. I've tried it for hay fever. It works amazing to really help to reduce these hay fever symptoms and act as a natural antihistamine. And don't forget, it also contains antibacterial properties that will really help to soothe a sore throat. You can consume it as is, or you can mix it with warm water and a little squeeze of lemon to really provide relief and give you a boost. Also, as a pre-workout, you can take a quarter of a teaspoon or half a teaspoon of Manuka honey before a workout for a natural energy boost. If you are into that, if you're following a specific eating plan that allows you to have carbohydrates, then this could be a quick source of energy for you. And my favorite way to use it, and the ninth and last way, is as a beauty boost. So you can use it as a face mask, hair treatment, or nail or cuticle treatment. So use it as part of your daily beauty routine, weekly beauty routine, to really help to enhance the health of your skin health, hair and nails. And also regular application consistency is key. It really does contribute to a radiant complexion and strong nourished hair, skin and nails. As always, if you're using it as a topical application, always remember to do a patch test to ensure that you do not have any sort of allergic reactions. Also, you need to choose whether you want to use Manuka honey internally in the morning, in the afternoon, or at night. You shouldn't consume a lot of Manuka honey because of its really high sugar content. So just choose it the best time for you according to your health goals, when to use it, and stick to that time for a maximum of maybe 2 to 3 weeks, and you will reap the rewards. If you enjoyed today's video, take care. I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.